Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove pin lock password from your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Suppose if you have set any pin password for your phone, now if you would like to remove it completely, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen. Go to lock screen and here select screen lock and biometrics, and you go to enter the current pin for authentication. So 1994 is the current pin for my phone. And now if you'd like to change or remove pin from your phone, just click on the pin. Don't click on the pin, just you go to choose swipe or none. Okay, so if you choose swipe only, you can easily swipe like this to unlock. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove pin lock password from your phone Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.